Dear students, so let us continue. So in last video lecture, I have discussed the two examples of the two curves intersects orthogonally. So now we'll discuss some more examples. Okay. So I have taken a third example is that show that the curve intersects orthogonally. R is equal to a into bracket 1 plus sine theta and R is equal to a into bracket 1 minus sine theta. These are the two curves are given. You have to show that these two curves intersects orthogonally. Intersects orthogonal, as I told you, phi 1 minus phi 2 is equal to 9 by, pi by 2, or tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so when you have to go like this, you have to go r is given and theta is given, so it is a polar curve. Apply log on both sides. Okay, so apply log on both sides means apply log here also. So log r as it is, apply log for this function. Okay, so log r as it is, log m into n is log m plus log n. Okay, so differentiate with respect to theta. So differentiation of log r is 1 by r dr upon d theta. Log a is 0. Then log of this function differentiation. So log differentiation is 1 by 1 plus sine theta. Then differentiation of 1 plus sine theta is cos theta. So you got cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. So this is cot of phi 1. Is it formula there for cos function? Okay, there is no such formulas in a trigonometry of cos function, and even in the formula in the form of 1 plus sine theta also. So if it is like this, so it is unable to find phi 1 directly, so you convert that function in terms of cot. Okay, so that can be converted like this. See here, I have written therefore unable to find phi 1 and phi 2 explicitly, so therefore you convert cot phi 1 in terms of tan phi 1. So you make it cot as tan phi 1. That means you have made the reciprocal here. You have made a reciprocal, so this goes in the numerator and this comes in the denominator. So therefore I have written 1 plus sine theta. So you can write like this also, that what I have written is that cot phi 1 is equal to cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is there. Okay, so this cot can be written in the reciprocal 1 divided by cot phi 1, and this is also 1 divided by cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. So denominator of denominator is numerator, it comes in the numerator. So 1 plus sine theta divided by denominator is cos theta. As we know that 1 by cot is nothing but cot, so this is phi 1. So therefore I have converted in the form of tan phi 1 in tan phi 1 1 plus sine theta divided by cos theta, make a reciprocal. Similarly here for this curve also, that is r is equal to a into bracket 1 minus sine theta, apply log on both sides. So log applied here also log applied. Okay, log r as it is, log m into n, so log m plus log m plus log n. Okay, differentiate this term with respect to theta. So differentiation of with respect to theta is log r is 1 by r dr upon d theta is equal to, this is a constant, differentiation of log of 1 minus sine theta is 1 divided by 1 minus sine theta. Log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of this term carefully, minus sign as it is, this is 0, minus sign as it is, differentiation sine theta is cos theta. So you got minus cos theta divided by 1 minus sine theta. Is it possible to convert? Is it formula there for cos and 1 minus sine? No, there is no formula. Again, it is unable to find phi 2 explicitly, so therefore you can convert in terms of tan phi 2. So this can be taken as a reciprocal. Tan phi 2 is equal to minus sign as it is, make a reciprocal. This goes in the numerator, this comes in the denominator. Okay, reciprocal it. So you got tan phi 1, you got tan phi 2. Okay, so we are unable to find phi 1 and phi 2, so the formula you cannot take this one. Okay, so phi 1 minus phi 2 you cannot take this one, so you have to take, you have converted in terms of tan phi 1 and you have converted in terms of tan phi 2. So if it multiply, the answer should be minus 1. Let us check this one, multiplying these two. So we have tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to minus 1. This is the for orthogonality. Then let us take tan phi 1 and tan phi 2. Tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to tan phi 1 is this term into tan phi 2 is this term. Okay, then see here, minus sign as it is, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, divided by cos into cos is cos square, minus sign as it is, 1 minus sine square. By using trigonometry identity, 1 minus sine square is cos square divided by cos square. cos square get cancel, you got -1. So hence you have proved that tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 is equal to -1. If it is possible, thus the curve intersects orthogonally. Is it clear for you? So this is an example I have taken, which is phi 1 and phi 2 cannot find easily. Okay, impossible to find phi 1 and phi 2 explicitly. So for that case, you have to go like this. Clear? So let us go for another one example. So the example is like this. Show that the curve intersects orthogonally. R is equal to 4 sec square theta by 2. R is equal to 9. This is 9 cosec square theta by 2. Okay. Now let us prove that this is phi 1 and let us find phi 1 and phi 2. Okay. Let us check. So R is equal to 4 sec square theta by 2. R is there, theta is there. Apply log on both sides. So log R as it is, then applying log here 4 sec like this, then similarly log R as it is. Now log 4 plus log this term I have taken directly 2 here because log m to the power n happens, so 2 comes here, log of sec theta by 2. So differentiate with respect to theta. So log R differentiation is 1 by R dr upon d theta. This is constant. 2 as it is, log x 1 by x. Differentiation of sec x into tan x, that is sec theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. Okay, then differentiation of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, clear. So 1 by R dr upon d theta is cot phi 1 is equal to 2. Here 2 get cancelled. 1 sec get cancelled. Tan theta by 2. So tan theta by 2. So cot phi 1 is equal to, you can convert this tan in terms of cot of 90 minus theta by 2. So cot get cancelled. So phi 1 is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. You got phi 1 easily. Okay, now let us go for the second curve. R is equal to 9 cosec square theta by 2. Applying log on both sides. So log R is equal to log for this term. Okay, now log R as it is, log m plus log n. I have written like this. Log R as it is, log 9 as it is, log m to the power n. Okay, so you can write log m to the power n. This 2 comes in front, 2 log cosec theta by 2. Now differentiate this with respect to theta. So differentiation of log R is 1 by R dr upon d theta. Constant is 0. 2 as it is. Log x differentiation is 1 divided by cosec. Cosec differentiation is minus cosec into cot theta by 2. So differentiation of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. So this 2 get cancelled. Okay, 1 by R dr upon d theta is phi 2. That is cot phi 2. So remaining this 1 cosec 2 get cancelled, only cot remains minus cot theta by 2. So minus cot theta by using allied angle. So cot phi by 2 is equal to cot you can write cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So this term can be written like this. So cot get cancelled, phi 2 is equal to minus theta by 2. So see here, we have find phi 1, we have find phi 2. You have to make a difference. Okay, phi 1 minus phi 2. So this is phi 1 minus phi 2. Pi by 2 as it is, minus theta by 2, minus into minus plus theta by 2. Minus plus cancel, theta by 2, pi by 2 remains. So phi 1 minus phi 2. Phi 1 minus phi 2 is equal to pi by 2 you got. So therefore phi 1 minus phi 2 is 90 degree. Then you can say that the two curves intersects orthogonally. Okay, thus the curve intersects orthogonally, each other orthogonally. So this is an fourth example. So you may get this type of examples in examination. So if they told to show that intersects orthogonally, you have to do like this. Clear? So very clear examples are there. So you go through the examples. Okay, you see these examples, watch these videos compulsory, copy down the notes in a proper way in a fair book. Okay, so that it helps you for your coming exams. Okay, annual examinations. These are the standard examples we used to take from your textbook. You refer my notes, that's it. If you refer my notes, you get to know. Okay, if you want to see some more examples, you ask me personally. We are going to give some examples on this base. Okay, let us go to example as a homework for you. Okay, see here, I have taken 2 examples as a homework. So example number 5 is show that the curve intersects orthogonal. This is one. Given 2 curves are there, find phi 1 phi 2 from these 2 curves, subtract. If answer is pi by 2, then you can say that it is a orthogonally. You definitely will get here because they told us to show that. So similarly example number 3 also, this is one curve is there. Okay, 2 curves are there, so you do this one. Okay, and after this, so note is that, so whatever I have given homework for you, you do the given homework compulsory you have to do the homework. Okay, so it will help you. So who knows, tomorrow this question will be arrived in the your annual examination, so better you do this. Okay, if you answer this in a rough and you show me by WhatsApp, if I am telling that it is a correct 100% correct, you just copy this note, this example in your Fairbook also. Okay, similarly show that the second core also. So do the given homework and send me the PDF by personal WhatsApp. After seeing that one, I will correct that one, or I will evaluate that one. If it is correct is there, then I will tell you to write in a Fairbook. You write in a Fairbook. If I tell you correct, you have to write in a Fairbook. Okay, so thank you. So after the next class will be the next for type of the example. Four types are examples are over. Now the new type of example you may get, that is Padel equation. Thank you.